basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so with you. Following the leader down 8th Street to get what we can. Crawl up the walls, make a few calls to the man. Promising the prominent angle. Find the square feet of the triangular man who always had the land.
Hello guys. Anybody familiar with this highway? We are on the way to Jubail. By the way, this video is a tribute to those who works in Jubail years back. So those who spent so many sleepless nights thinking of their families. Join me. Join us. Let us see if there is any changes or progress in Jubail compared to your time.
Tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. If things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Mapila yung mga Pakistani sa Jollibee. Sikat pala ang Jollibee din eh. Puro mga lalaki yun, may nakita ko isang babae. Puro mga lalaki nakikita ko. Katulad sa Khobar. Mga Pinay. Kabayan Supermarket. Ito kami ngayon sa Jubail. Punta kami ng Industrial City. Ayan. Ilocanos kasi dito pala marami din restaurant ng mga kabayan. Ilocanos kasi, Ilonggo. Ayan, yung kabayan, supermarket. kuya. Marami pala dito, taga kami, Khobar, Khobar. Taga saan ka sa amin, kuya? Lady, pwede kang makasama sa Pinark muna namin ang sakyan namin dito para video namin ang kapaligiran. Talaga lamang karamihan dito mga lalaki.